Dear viewers, I have the Fajr Islamic Watch. If you want to write your name on its main display, if you want it to show on the top side, you can do it very easily. My name is Ishtiyaq Ahmed and you are watching my channel Fajr Watch Jumper. Viewers, in this watch, to write your name, press the top button. When you keep pressing it this way, the next setting will appear there and it will say my name. You can check here, my name has come up. Now you need to long press the middle button and show name appears on. Now press the top button and hide appears if you want to hide it. If you don't want my name to show, just long press the middle button and the setting is done here for that. But we want to write our name, so we press the top button and new name appears. Now we need to press the middle button once and here I can write my name. My name is Ahmed, so I'll write Ahmed here. It starts with A, that's okay. Now press the middle button once and we need to write H here. H has appeared. Now press the middle button once and here we need to write M. M has appeared. Now press the middle button again and here A is okay. Press the middle button again and here we'll write D. There it is, Ahmed. Our name is complete. Now we need to long press the middle button. When we long press it, the name setting is complete. Now let's check whether it shows on the main display or not. Now keep pressing the top button this way until you reach the main screen. You can check here the name we wrote in this watch is now showing here. So this is how you can write your name in this watch very easily. Dear viewers, that was my video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, like it, share it with your friends. And if you have any problem with this watch, you can tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.